Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are back at IIT and we are going to show you the RLB hall. As suggested from the name, it is Girls Hall and it is basically for the PhD scholars. So before going inside the hall, let me show you its good location. It is really good. Let's see. Behind me over there is the main gate of IIT KGP campus, and after going straight from here is the roundabout for the main building. From this roundabout on the left you are having the iconic building of IIT Kharagpur. But what we are interested in today is not this main building.
So let's go to the opposite of this main building.
When we go just opposite to this main building, after the first building on the left, this one, we will get our hall, the RLB hall. So you just take the first left from here and there you see. The thing I mentioned that this hall is in very good location because the main building is too close to it. Not only this, but
You can find
all the restaurant and evening snacks item here just beside the RLB hall. So without further ado, let's go inside this RLB hall. Just after entering, on the right side you are having this cycle parking area. So let us park our cycle. And to the left side you are having the main room, the common room over there. And after that, on the right side, let's enter inside the RLB hall. So just after entering into the RLB hall, you are greeted by a spacious lobby where students often gather to socialize and relax or catch up. There is one side door, but we will go inside on the left side. So you can see from the inside, there are so many corridors. You might get confused. On the right side, we are having the dining area. Let me show you the mess first. So this is the mess for the RLB. And here is the second entrance to the common room. This hall boasts several common rooms equipped with amenities like TVs, TD and billiards, providing a perfect balance of study and leisure.
our hostel is SNVH. So we are having one of our friend living in B block. So let's go to the B block and meet her first.
You can see the small parks in each of these blocks. Here, each block is in a square shape. This is the B block and similarly, there are A, B, C blocks. So going inside this room 202, you will get on the left side, this space is, you can see the walls shifted inside to adjust one table. So you will get one table chair like this. And on the right, every room is having one window like this. And you will get one bed like this. Just these three furnished items you will get. You can see the bed design is very nice. There is some container inside you can keep. And on the left also, you can just keep items here. Also with this, you will get one mirror and cupboards. So you can see there are two closed cupboard and three open one with a common cupboard above. So this is what a research scholar get in a PhD room at RLB. The hall room at RLB are designed to be comfortable and conducive to both study and rest. And as you see, each room is furnished with the basic
Equipment.
allowing students to personalize their space. So in this hall we are having 3 blocks as such, each with 3 corridors, 3 floors. You can see each floor is having drinking water and laundry services here. Going inside, you will get this mirror again, the window and this washing machine.
This is a closed washing machine. If your clothes are inside, then you can lock it for the safekeeping. And then there is a sink and a water cooler where you can get the cold water.
Then there are washrooms.
After this B block, going straight, you will reach A block. All the blocks are connected.
Going straight from here, on the right, you are having in front of this B block, the C block. As we watched earlier, this is the C block. And connecting all these blocks, you are having the library of this hall. Let's go inside. Oh no, we can't go inside because you have to issue the keys first. So let me show you. This is the library. And just after this library, on the right side, you will get the gymnasium room. So this is the gymnastic room with treadmill and all the modern facilities. Beside this, you are having this badminton court. And on the left side, you are having one night canteen. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And also, please comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in our next video. Bye bye.